It's Saturday in the heart of Copenhagen. Denmark is up against Cameroun in the FIFA World Cup. But before start, some preparations has to be done. To become a real Danish supporter, you need some paint in the face and a silly hat. After the massive use of the Vuvuzela in South Africa, the famous horn has found its way to Denmark. And that too became a part of the scene this Saturday night. During the match, the Danes had a hard time. There was a lot of but 2 times in the match it looked and sounded like this. Luckily that was enough to win the match, and then it was time to celebrate.